Disturbing facts about the spiritual realm. 1. Showing your baby bump in pictures on social media is a risk to your pregnancy. 2. Do not share the middle name of your baby with anyone. Even now, do not share your middle name with anyone. People can pinpoint you in the spiritual realm and send spiritual attacks against you, just by knowing your full name. 3. The parchment paper that people use in Obeah is actually made of skin and has a foul odor. They also use the skin of a newborn baby that wasn't christened. Be very careful. 4. Shopkeepers, beware of silver money. Some people will go into people's shop to spend silver money just to hold down the shop. 5. Some mothers are guilty of taking out their titties and crying to the sun in order to hold down their own children.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
6. Some people strip themselves to their birthday suit, beat their family grave, and call out people named to hold them down in life. 7. A lot of times when a person gets a spiritual blow without knowing it, they go to an operation and that's what kills them. 8. It is said that women work more Obeah than men. 9. When you buy vegetable and fruits at the market, you be careful. There's a strong chance Obeah oil is on it. They do it to ensure that their goods sell. Pray over your food before you eat it. 10. It is possible for someone to tie you onto them using Obeah rituals. A lot of people cannot accept rejection. If you find yourself obsessing over someone you no longer want, trouble dede.
Like, follow, and share for more Jamaican True Stories.